From producing isotropic parts to needing fewer design constraints, in-house stereolithography (SLA) 3D printing has many advantages. However, since thermoplastics aren't used in SLA 3D printing, selecting a material is not always straightforward for most engineers. In this webinar, we'll walk you through a 3-step framework on how to choose a thermoset material and make some recommendations based on popular thermoplastics. After attending this webinar, you'll know if in-house SLA 3D printing can produce parts for your prototyping, validation, or end-use needs. During this expert-led webinar, you will learn how to translate performance requirements like a snap fit into materials requirements like flexural or tensile modulus, the differences and similarities between thermoplastics and thermosets when it comes to properties such as impact resistance, HDT, creep, and more, which specific thermosets we recommend based on hard or soft plastics. You're familiar with how a 3D printed material behaves when it is repeatedly put under stress, such as being hit with a hammer, in a live video demonstration.